So, so dear students, let us talk about the remaining part of the 2.1 Song of the Open Road. Today I started a poetry section. I recorded the first part of poem Song of the Open Road. So let us see the second part of the poem Song of the Open Road. So let us see the next point. Next activity number 10, personal response type question. Dear friends, right now, personal response type question is already given separate question for your personal response for your board examination paper. I would like to tell you one thing in your activity sheet pattern, activity 1 up to activity 5th, activity 1 activity includes personal response separate question. Already you are studied this question, personal response type question, how to solve. In this type of question, students have to write answer own. Okay, so your answer may be your own. You will write your answer in your own language. So here on page number 96, a question is given for personal response. Healthy free the world before me. Express your views regarding the above line. Whenever you will get this type of question for poetry, express your views. So how will you express your views regarding this above poetic line? See the answer I'm reading and try to understand a simple answer in simple English. You can elaborate your points, you can add your own points for personal response type question. The journey in this poem is quite symbolic. This is the journey of life. The speaker considers him healthy both physically and mentally. He is quite free and able to do whatever he feels. He is the honest traveler in this democratic world, and he is the creator and controller of his own future. Okay, now next activity, activity number 11, textbook page number 96. The poet has used many describing words such as healthy in this poem. Make a list and classify them into the adjectives. Adjective means the describing words. For the world, for the world, some adjectives are used by the poet in this poem. Free, healthy, and sufficient. For himself, content, strong, free, fortunate. For the road, open, brown, and long. So these are the names of adjectives. Okay, now next I come to the next example, next activity. Read the expression old delicious burdens. वाहतो मी दुःखाचे स्वादिष्ट ओझे असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. What is the correct answer? If examiner paper setter sets this question for board for this poem, so you will have to elaborate this answer like this. A burden cannot be delicious. The poet has used this combination of words to express that he has many sweet memories of the people and places which he would like to remember forever. The poet has used seemingly contradictory expressions to convey the meaning that his heart is full of sweet memories of good and kind people. Though he wants to be free from any type of attachment, he wants to cherish these sweet memories in his heart forever. This expression contains opposite ideas that makes it seem absurd or unlikely although it may be true. This is called as paradox. Paradox is also a one type of figure of speech. Okay. Now next example. The road in the poem. This is a poetic lines. It is used by the poet. The road in the poem doesn't mean only the road to travel. The poet wants to suggest the road of life. This expression is called metaphor. Okay. So metaphor is also a one part of figure of speech. I shall teach this topic in detail later on after completing this poem. The poet described the road as a journey of life. In single inverted comma, journey of life. Rest of the part is given. Road helps us to make our journey joyous and comfortable. Life is nothing but a long march facing numbers of twists and turns, ups and downs. The road of life is very not easy to walk. Numerous obstacles are there on its way, and life is beautiful like roses. Living amidst the field of thorns, only those people can make his journey successful who are really fearless, honest, and capable. So it is a correct answer, exact answer of this example. Now, activity number 6, textbook page number 97. Look at the slide. Personal pronouns. We, I, you, it, he. Okay. So in parts of speeches, already you are studied the pronouns. So personal pronouns is a type of pronoun. The use of personal pronoun I is evident and prominent in this poem. Give reasons. Here, dear friends, if you read this poem very carefully and in deep and detail, so you can observe that pronoun I is used many times by the poet. So what is the reason why the poet has used this pronoun again and again? So let us see the correct answer of this question. Personal pronouns make the poem directly addressing and appealing the reader. Song of the Open Road is a perfect example with its skillful presence of personal pronouns. It connects the readers to the speaker and his personal life. It helps to know speaker's capabilities and limitations very well. And the use of personal pronoun highlights and proves the reality of speaker's mood and his views towards life. Okay. Now I come to the next activity on the poem. Activity number 18. Write 4 to 6 lines of free verse on the topic. तुम्हाला मगाशीच मी सांगितलं की फ्री व्हर्स म्हणजे कवितेचा एक प्रकार आहे मुक्त छंद. त्या मुक्त छंद प्रकारात तयार केलेली ही जी कविता आहे सॉन्ग ऑफ द ओपन रोड 12वी, तर यातली ही 18वी ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. त्यात कवी काय म्हणतोय बघा. राईट 4 to 6 लाईन्स ऑफ फ्री वर्स ऑन द टॉपिक द रोड दॅट लीड्स टू माय कॉलेज. Express that it is the road to knowledge and bright future. Of course, so you may begin like this. Every day I trade with bag of books. How will you start this answer? If you want to compose the lines, so poetic creativity, you know very well, last activity is given to you for 12th standard board examination paper, that is named as poetic creativity. In this activity, in this poetic creativity question, activity question, students have to develop the imagination of what expression of thought, expression of reviews, expression of ideas with the help of composing poem. Okay, so every day I trade with the bag of books. For me, school is my heaven. Every day I trade with the bag of books. For me, school is my heaven, a knowledge ocean. Classes, sports, and fun at every single turn. It is something we must all respect, a holy place where futures are built. Every day I trade with the bag of books. Now write a poetic appreciation of the poem. Here I'm going to show you the write a poetic appreciation of the poem. Poetry is the creativity of a person's imagination. Like any other literary work, it needs to be understood and to be appreciated. The writer writes up for a reason, and his purpose may be to evoke emotion, inform, define, represent something of the world or life. Whatever the case, a poem is unique to its writer, and each poem can be analyzed to be appreciated. Okay, here is the poetic appreciation of the poem Song of the Open Road. Now see this table about the poem, poet and title. Some points are given to you in the left column of the table, and now at the right side, answer is given to you about poem, poet and title. Song of the Open Road, taken from the collection Leaves of Grass, American poet Walt Whitman. Here I have provided in the table in points, but students want to elaborate the answer in full sentence in English in the examination paper. The theme: freedom, mobility, journey of life. Three themes are included in the theme of this poem, Song of the Open Road. Poetic style. Which type of style is used by the poet? Free verse consisting four stanzas, use of personal pronouns. Language and poetic devices, use of artistic language, easily understood, use of repetition, metaphor, paradox, inversion, no rhyming scheme. Here in this appreciation, dear friends, poetic appreciation question, poetic devices you have to write compulsorily also. Poetic device includes names of figure of speeches. Which figure of speeches are used by the poet in a given poem in textbook? So you will have to present yourself. Special features. The word road is symbolic. Of course, in this poem, observe the title very carefully. Song of the Open Road. Road is symbolic, shown by the poet. It is compared with human life. It is the sign of mobility. Message, value, morals. We must believe in our strengths. Freedom is the real life. Life is dynamic. Live honestly. Own opinion. I think we shouldn't depend on luck. Everyone is the creator of his own life, and we must face different problems in the journey of life. Life is not easy. Okay. Now, here, the blog writing activity number 19 on page number 98. What is blog? Actually, compulsorily writing skill topic, it is there, blog writing, and I have provided only special lecture video on this topic. Okay, so I come to the next slide. It is a new topic for all of us. Activity number 20, expansion of idea. We call it in Marathi, आपण त्याला म्हणतो कल्पना विस्तार. Expansion of idea means to understand and to describe the meaning and idea given in the particular text. The text may be a proverb, idiom, title, poetic line, or a good thought. The words used in this text are rather symbolic. The words are systematically decoded, which is implied a very artistic value. Most of the time, this kind of text is used to sum up the idea. म्हणजे एखाद्या शीर्षक, एखाद्या म्हणीचं किंवा एखाद्या वाक्प्रचाराचं किंवा एखाद्या सुभाषिताचं केलेलं अर्थपूर्ण शाश्वत वर्णन म्हणजे कल्पना विस्तार होय. मित्रांनो, यामध्ये स्थलकालातील जे सत्य आहे ते स्वतःच्या शब्दात आणि स्वतःच्या कल्पनेनं अतिशय रंजक पद्धतीने उलगडून दाखवलं जातं. कवी त्याचा वापर कल्पना विस्ताराचा आपल्या कवितेमध्ये करत असतो. A man without liberty is a body without a soul. It is also one example of expansion of idea. It is an answer before you. I don't read this answer. I just show you this answer in my video here. So you can read. So here I have tried to express and I have tried to show, to discuss various activities based on Song of the Open Road poem 2.1. I tell you one thing, friends, when you listen, when you watch my video, you have to see, you have to watch, and you have to listen very carefully my video about the Song of the Open Road. After watching, take the help of English textbook of standard 12th, go through it, open the poem, read each stanza, learn it, understand it, the simple meaning, grasp it, and below the title, brainstorming activities already I have shared on screen now, and I have shown you the correct answers. You can add, you can write your own answers in your notebook, in your notes also. Study it very carefully, prepare confidently. And I suggest you one thing, due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, online classes are now stopped. So take the help of these YouTube links, share these links to your friends, discuss with your classmates, discuss with your friends. And if you are having any problem regarding my lecture videos of English, so you can call me, you can share me, you can discuss with me through WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you so much. I stop here. Next video, earlier, I shall create, I shall upload on YouTube, and definitely I assure you that my videos will really helpful for everyone. Thank you so much.